If you're like me and you go out to the bar, you've probably ordered white tea shots at least once in your life. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make my recipe, which is a little bit boozier than the one you may get at the bar. This recipe only requires 4 ingredients and it makes 4 shots, so it's perfect if you need to serve it at a party or for your friends. Don't forget to follow along. I have lots more shot recipes on this channel that you're gonna wanna check out. You'll only need 4 simple ingredients for these white tea shots. Starting out, we're using 4 ounces of unflavored vodka. Pour that into a cocktail shaker that's filled partway with ice. Then we're coming in with some peach schnapps. You'll need 3 ounces of this. Peach schnapps gives everything a nice fruity flavor, and it's part of the reason I love white tea shots. Next, you'll pour in 3 ounces of sweet and sour mix. If you don't want to buy this, you can also make sweet and sour mix at home. Pop the lid onto your cocktail shaker and give everything a nice shake until it's well chilled, which usually only takes about 15 seconds. Then you'll strain your shots into 4 rocks glasses. These are pretty big shots, so I would recommend rocks glasses over regular shot glasses. And finally, you can optionally add some lemon lime soda on top. It gives it a nice fizz and finishes off the shots perfectly. You'll want to add about 3/4 ounces to each shot. I hope that you love this recipe as much as I do. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.